Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and use Scrcpy application on Windows 11. So first of all, in your browser type in Scrcpy, then go to the official GitHub page. Now from here, from the home page, go to the releases on the right, and now as you can see the latest version is 2.4. Just scroll down until you see the files. So you're looking for this zip archive, which is Scrcpy Windows 64. Download it, extract it into any folder on your system. Right, so you will see something like this in the folder with the extracted files. So the file you're looking for is the Scrcpy non-console. This will be responsible for launching our application. So from here, just connect your phone via the USB to your computer and double click on this no console script file. But the first time you launch this app, you'll have a prompt on your phone to allow USB debugging. So you need to just click on always allow and also press OK. And from there you will be able to easily stream your phone's screen onto your PC. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, do not forget to subscribe, press the like button, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.